Documentation templates are easy to create in CIS with the Autotext tool. Starting in the clinical notes section of the chart, right-click and select the Add button. Once the new blank note is open, you'll want to select a folder to file the newly created document in. Here I'll be using the ID Office Note folder. You can also title the note if you so choose in the subject line. Now let's create the template. In this example, I'm going to create a TB clinic nurse visit note. First, I want to create the title nurse visit. So that the title stands out, I'm changing the font size and I'm bolding the type. Now I'm going to enter each of the subheadings I want to include in my template. In this case, I will enter a series of symptoms to help quickly document a brief, focused review of systems that is relevant to the TB patient. Once completing the set of subheadings, I highlight them, right-click, and save the selection as an Autotext. The Manage Autotext dialog box opens. Populate the abbreviation field, starting with a keystroke that will trigger the presentation of all of your custom autotexts. As a rule, I start mine with the letter Z. You can also add a description if you so choose. Going back to clinical notes, let's use this template. Right-click to add and go into the clinical note, selecting the document type, entering a title, and then moving into the open field to trigger the presentation of your Autotext templates. I type Z and then T, hit the return button to see the presentation of my template, and then go into the template to do any necessary editing to make the note relevant and timely. Once I complete filling in the template, I sign the note per routine, and it is automatically filed in the infectious disease office note folder.